The key fob for 2011 to 2015 VW Passats uses a CR2032 battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or coin. To begin, locate the small seam on the side of the key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool to open it. Work on a non-conductive surface and avoid static electricity to prevent damage to the fob's internal components. Note that while newer VW models use advanced smart keys, these older fobs rely on replaceable batteries, making this DIY repair straightforward and cost-effective. Batteries are available online for $1 to $5. Open on a table or non-conductive surface. You will need the CR2032 battery for replacement of the old battery. Insert the screwdriver or coin into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply excessive force. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side faces up towards the circuit board. Snap the two halves of the fob back together until they click securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The range should be approximately 30 to 50 feet. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the contacts are clean. If problems persist, ignition key cycling in the driver's door lock may be required for repairing.